Dual Snap MH Series. The world-patented new innovation Dual Snap adjustable wrench was made by high-quality material, chrome vanadium. The product is exceeding international standards as ISO, ASME, ES, DINS, GIS, SABS, CNS, etc. Features of the MH. Magic button. Different from the traditional adjustable wrenches, MH's magic button overthrows the knurl to adjust the jaw opening. Efficient. Release the jaw with one easy pull. The MH is 5 times faster than a traditional adjustable wrench. Practical and space saving. One MH equals 2 sets of spanners, 8 mm to 24 mm, and 1/4 inch to 1 inch. Dual Snap. The MH combines dual teeth to fit all the nuts of metric and SAE specification, ranging from 8 to 24 mm and 1/4 to 1 inch. Reliable. Double teeth, double security. The Dual Snap function can fit all of the nuts of metric and SAE at the next available pitch and obtain a best fit and precision. Precision. High precision and low tolerance. No sound will be heard. Comfortable. The comfortable TPR handle provides a very comfortable hand fit. High torque. The torque performance is at least 30% higher than the ASME standard. Instructions. 1. Flip the button to open the movable jaw with gravity. 2. Snap the rod to adjust the jaw width. 3. The jaw is fixed during operation and it works like a spanner. The MH, a benchmark you ought to know. Quick and accurate at a simple snap.